Hi guys. Okay, so we are continuing on to the next step of measuring the solution concentration, which is the mass by volume percent. So what does this mean? The mass by volume percent is the mass in grams of the solute divided by the milliliters of the solution, that's the volume, times 100%. And keep this in mind that solution is going to be the solute plus the solvent. Okay, so this is one example. Here, the potassium iodide solution is prepared by dissolving 5 grams of potassium iodide in enough water to give a final volume of 250 milliliters of the whole solution. What is the mass by volume percent of Ki solution? So you're going to first write down what is given to you. You are given, so we need to find out mass by volume percent, okay? And we are given the solute, which is 5.0 grams potassium iodide. Okay, and this 5.0 potassium iodide is present in 250 milliliters of solution. And this whole thing multiplied by 100%. And so that gives you the answer is 2.0 mass by volume percent, or 2.0% actually, 2.0% mass by volume of the potassium iodide solution, So what does all this mean? So this is a, this is a, again, what is the meaning? Let's say, for example, you're given one example, you are given 5% glucose solution. Which is mass by volume. Okay, so these type of units are very commonly used in the medical industry, pharmacists, where you are taking a certain amount of, let's say, glucose, which is solid, and it is dissolved in water to make that solution, glucose solution, and is given intravenously. So doctors, nurses, the hospital staff, they use this unit a lot. So here we are going to look at it. What does this mean? 5% glucose solution. What is the meaning of that? This means that 5 grams of glucose is present in 100 milliliters of the whole solution. 100 milliliters of the solution. So using that equality, we can create the conversion factors. So 5 grams of the glucose is present in 100 grams. So 5 grams glucose over 100 milliliters of the solution, or 100 milliliters of the solution over 5 grams of glucose. So these are the conversion factors. And if you know the known, you can, you can, using one of these conversion factors, you can find the unknown. Okay, so using the dimensional analysis. So that's the thing about mass by volume percent. And I hope that was helpful. Okay, thank you. Bye.